Find or read reviews that people are talking about neobitat N500 AI Vision Robot Lawn Mower. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Quick setup without boundary wires, no need to bury boundary wires or install an RTK base station. The built-in intelligent mapping system makes setup quick and easy, making it ideal for small lawns up to 5,382 square feet or 500 square meter. Smart visual navigation and obstacle avoidance. Equipped with the NEO FSD navigation system and a 150 degrees ultra-wide-angle HDR camera, the mower identifies over 300 types of obstacles in real time, actively avoiding toys, pets, and common garden items. App management and OTA updates, monitor mower status and manage mowing zones via the dedicated app. OTA updates continuously optimize device features and operational performance. Adapts to various terrains, a 7.9-inch or 20 cm cutting width and dual blade system ensure a neat, uniform cut. The cutting height is adjustable between 0.8 and 2.4 inches or 20 to 60 mm, and the mower handles slopes of up to 42%. Long-lasting power and outdoor durability. The included 5.0 amp-hour battery provides reliable, long-lasting power and doubles as a portable power source for compatible devices. An IPX4 waterproof design ensures easy cleaning and reliable outdoor operation. What's included? Package includes 1 charging station, 1 power adapter with detachable power cord, 1 5.0 amp-hour battery, 8 charging station stakes, 10 boundary pins, 6 blades with 3 pre-installed, 6 blade screws with 3 pre-installed, 1 hex key and 1 user manual. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.